Hi, welcome back to another video. My name is Priyank Patel and I am working as a senior WordPress engineer at Multidots. In this video today, we are going to talk about the setup of multi-site on top of single WordPress setup and also when to choose a multi-site network when migrating to WordPress from another environment. Here is a document from WordPress.org website. It is about how to create network. So I'll go step by step and will show how to do it. So first of all, I have prepared one fresh setup of WordPress. And now the first step I need to do is I need to copy this line and open the root directory of my setup, open the config file and paste the copied line after this particular comment. Now, once I save it, I'll go back to my setup and I will refresh the site. If I check under tools, there will be an option available called network setup. So click on that and here you need to make some changes like if you want subdomain type of structure or subdirectory type of structure for the URLs, add the title of the network and add the email of the super admin or network admin, you can say. So once everything is added, click on install and you will get this code to be added again in the config file, but on top of this line this time. So let's save it, go back to the site, refresh the site, add the credentials again, and now you will see our simple site or single site is converted into multi-site network where you can add different sites, you can add users throughout all the sites, you can add theme that will be available and plugin that will be available on all the sites. So let's try to add a site over here. I'm going to click on add new site. The URL will look like sample dash one. Here the title of the site and the email. So if I click on add site and if I click on all the sites, you can see the site is added over here. And if I click on the visit link, you can see this is the link and I am on my newly created site under multi-site network. So this is the simple setup of multi-site network under WordPress. Now comes the second part. Whenever we are migrating to WordPress, when to choose multi-site option. So this is a documentation from Multidot's site, which will be helpful to figure out when to choose a single site or multi-site whenever we are migrating from one platform to WordPress. You can read through this documentation. Also, whenever the client has so many sites and they want to migrate all of the sites to be moved under one management, then multi-site option will be great option. And though all the sites will be under one umbrella, all the sites will have different URL and different SEOs. That is what I just wanted to explain over here. I think to conclude the video, we have covered it, the multi-site setup as well as when to choose single site and multi-site. That was an example of how Multidots works on migration project. If you have any doubt or any questions, please reach out to us at multidots.com/contact-us. Thank you very much.